Hey guys, here we are. Go EIU!
Yay!
That was very unenthusiastic.
Sorry.
You know, being college month here in October, we figured we would just rep our schools a little bit. His is a little bit more prestigious than mine, but who had more fun? Let's be honest.
Apples and oranges.
Whatever. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about groups and families that are on the periodic table.
Ooh.
You already kind of know where the metals and non-metals and metalloids are, but now we're going to talk about specific groups, which go which way?
Well, groups are columns, and columns hold up buildings, so they go up and down.
Absolutely. So we're going to take a look at those and what their properties are. They have special names.
Ooh, fancy.
Mm-hmm. So first one is group number one.
One.
All right, very exciting.
Yeah.
They are called the alkali metals.
Ooh, very prestigious.
Yes. And they go from lithium all the way down to francium, if you will. Or I think some of the European people call it francium or something.
Yeah, francium.
Something really entertaining. Yeah,
I
but
don't really.
Needless to say, they're the coolest group, I think, because they are the most reactive with water.
Pretty cool. They are actually a pretty fun group.
Yeah. So you drop a little, put them in a little bit of water, and kapooey!
Yes. Or
Very exciting.
sizzle.
Okay, yeah, because when the higher up you are, the less reactive.
Yeah.
The further down that group you go, like, what is that? Scandium and francium, they get really reactive with water.
They do. Explosive.
Yes, which we'll take a little peek of that in class. Okay, so they're very reactive. They're also very soft and shiny, and you can kind of cut them with a knife.
Oh, it's fun.
Yeah, so they look kind of just like that picture, actually.
Oh, like metallic butter.
Yes, I like that. Very good. Okay, so that's group one. Group number two. Okay, these are the alkaline earth metals.
Ooh, similar but different name. Okay.
Exactly. Okay. Still pretty reactive. I mean, not nearly as cool as group one, but they are still pretty reactive.
So they won't explode in water.
No, but they are still pretty reactive.
Okay.
Okay, they're fairly hard, and they're also kind of bright, a little bit shinier.
That's fun.
Okay, so here's a little example of beryllium, if you will.
Love it.
If you had a rock collection as a kid, such as yourself, rock and mineral collection. That's your nerd side coming out. Okay, then we move into groups 3 through 12. Now, in groups 3 through 12, we call these the transitions, because we're transitioning from the metals to the non-metals.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
So our valley of the periodic table, if you will.
Oh, I like that.
Try and bring a little geology into it.
That was good. I like it a lot. Okay, so this is where kind of all the ones that a lot of people know: nickel and copper and zinc and
iron
and gold and silver.
Okay.
Just the
like your metals.
Yeah, like when you think metal, boom, those are the ones that are there.
Gotcha.
Okay, these are very hard and usually, obviously, very shiny. Okay,
If you
gold,
polish
silver,
them, yeah.
very cool. Okay, so those are the transitions. Then we jump all the way to group 17.
So almost at the end.
Almost at the end, but not quite there. Okay, and these are the halogens.
Ooh.
Okay.
Halogens.
Halogens.
Like halogen lights.
Yes, very similar. Okay, these are kind of cool. This group is interesting because it contains all 3 states of matter.
What?
Yep.
That's amazing.
Fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid, and then iodine, and I think it's pronounced acetine. Is that correct?
Acetine.
Whatever you want to do with it. Okay, and those are solids.
Ooh.
Okay, these are somewhat reactive. When we say reactive, they're very reactive for the non-metals.
Gotcha.
Not reactive like group 1, where they're going to explode on.
So they're reacted in a different way.
Yes, they're reactive in a different way.
Okay.
And most of these are very dangerous. Obviously, you don't want to breathe straight chlorine gas.
No.
And
So, yeah, you put chlorine in your pool to kill all the bugs in
Right.
the pool. I gotcha.
Similar, yes. But the gas form, you do not want to inhale.
No.
Okay? So, group 17, halogens. Our last group,
Ooh,
if you will.
pretty.
Okay, these are the non-reactive metal or non-metals on the periodic table. They are called the noble gases.
Oh, well, how fancy. Noble gases because they don't react. They're very noble. Okay,
Exactly.
I gotcha.
Okay, so they are all in group 18 from helium all the way down to that newest one that I don't know.
Unactium?
Ooh, is it really what it's called?
Well, it's like their transitional name until
Until they find a cool name.
Yeah, the Chemist Society
Picks
adopts
a really,
it, yeah.
really good name. Okay, like Kijorium.
Yeah, I feel like that's not on the list.
Oh, dang. Well. So, anyway, these are the ones you can see. They're usually in your neon lights.
Oh, neon
Okay.
lights because it's neon.
Yes, pretty much. I mean, pretty simple.
Oh.
Okay? So, noble gases. And then our very last section of the periodic table is the lanthanides and actinides.
Those guys.
And, yeah, those guys. They're at the bottom. Okay? We know that they are technically supposed to be shoved right in here. We showed you a picture of how long the periodic table would be if they were actually where they're supposed to be. But we shove them underneath here because they are called the rare earth metals. Because they are rare.
Well, there you go. Makes sense.
Yes. They're all solid, they're all metals, and they're all radioactive.
Okay, so we're probably not going to deal with them a lot in class.
No, probably not. No, I'm not going to just hand you some uranium, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's probably not a good idea.
Right. So that's our quick little brief rundown of what the periodic table looks like, where you'll find things, and we'll catch you on campus.
Boom.
See
Bye.
ya.